Hi, this is MikoCG, and in this part of the tutorial I will show you yet another way how to remove your default cube. This time with the help of keyframes. Once again, last time I showed you how to remove your default cube with location keyframe, and today I will show you how to do it with scale keyframe. With scaling, you basically have two options. You can either scale up or scale down. So, both of these options have their pros and cons. Well, scaling down have only pros, and scaling up have some cons. Let's start with scaling up. What will happen if we scale up? Well, we eventually end up inside of the cube. This may actually work, but it won't work if you will try to use world lighting or HDRI. This will make a really big problem. You can eventually hide it, but well, that's more stuff that we want to do. So this time we will use downscaling. Downscaling means that we will scale it to the tiny little cube that is not visible anymore. And how to do it best? Well, scale with 0. Yes, I already showed you the trick before, but today we will make it more interesting, because now set up the keyframe for this default scale. And now we have a keyframe for this size of the cube. That is the default cube with a size of 2 meters cubic, like 2 meters, 2 meters, and 2 meters, 2 meters. Okay. And let's go to keyframe 100 and set the scale to 0. Okay, and insert the keyframe with key E or I on your keyboard. Scale. Now, if we play this animation, it's scaling down. Beautiful, right? Yes, it is. But it's slow. Let's make it faster, like the last time. Just press this part and drag it. Let's try 50. Much faster, but still too slow. Let's try 20. Well, that's much quicker. And nice. Let's try it faster. Beautiful, right? Well, there is something even better. Beautiful. And now let's do it even better. Move the first keyframe to the 0, the second one to the 1, and we have basically no animation, and it's gone. The default cube is gone. Next time, if you want to hide this little piece, just use these tricks that we learned before. That's it. Your default cube is gone. See you later in the next part.